What's going on, guys? This is Taylor from the Southwest Wheel Warehouse. Today we're going to be looking at the BK5475ELE-TK. This will be our brake kit for a 3,500 pound axle with Timken bearings. See right here, this box will get it in. It's got our nice logo on it. We got two smaller boxes down in here that'll hold everything. We do that so it stays nice and tight, makes it to you all safe. We got our two smaller boxes. We can see right here, we have our true ride hub and drum with our 1/2 inch zinc coated studs. And these are going to measure from here to the closest one, 2 3/4. Our races are already pressed in, our outer and our inner. Then we have our brake back. This will be our true ride brake back with the magnet already installed. Just hook it up, bolt it up, good to go. It's got our true ride sticker down in here. Shows that it's true ride inspected, and that'll also show you your left hand and your right hand brake. We got our smaller parts. We pull these out. Our Timken bearings. Then we have our other hub and drum and our other brake back. So with this kit, you're going to get two hub and drums, a left hand and a right hand brake. Then we're going to get two castle nuts, one for each side, along with the cotter pin. You won't get this with most other guys' kits. We like to make sure that you have all the parts you need. So you'll just stick this on your spindle, and this will pop right through like that and hold it on there. We have our lug nuts. We're going to get 10 of these. Slip them right on. Then we're going to have our Timken bearings. And this is going to be your inner, and your inner is going to be 68149. You can see right here, this will just pop in right here. Then we have our outer. This is going to be our outer, and this will be the 44649. These do have the Timken stamps on them. They are made in the US. You can pop this right in right there. That's your outer. So you'll get a set for each side of those. Then we're going to get our hardware for the brake. We're going to get 8 nuts and 8 washers. So we'll just pop these brakes on the axle plate, pop your washer on, pop your nut on, good to go. 2 seals, 1 for each side, and then we can see right here, we'll just pop our bearing in, and then we'll pop our seal in right behind it. Be good to go. Then we're going to get 4 grease caps. And the reason that we get 4, as you'll see, you'll get 2 that are solid and 2 that have holes in them. These are for the Easy Lube spindle, and these are for the regular spindle. With the Easy Lube spindle, you're going to get your rubber cap that you install like this one, and you're going to get your tang washer. Then for your solid regular spindles, you're going to get the regular spindle washer. And then these grease caps are just going to pop on right there. That's pretty much it, guys. It's pretty simple stuff. Just pop it on, bolt it up, wire it up, good to go. That was the BK5475ELE-TK.